Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forward's Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a wallet case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. I've been getting a lot of requests to review this type of case. I went online to Amazon and just started looking around and came up with this one from KEZiHOME. KEZiHOME, I did not look how to pronounce it, but you can get it from Amazon. Presentation is kind of boring. But sometimes you don't come here for presentation. This is the case here. Oh. You know what we're gonna have to do? Shout out to Mr. Flossie Carter for this. We're gonna have to do a smell test. Oh, that smells good too. It has a little magnetic clap there. I don't know what this fell out for, but you can slide your cards in here and then, put some dollar bills there if you're going out. This little flap is to not scratch your screen, your display with your cards. That's pretty creative. And then the back, the back has a strap too. So if you want to hold your phone, I guess more like this, you can definitely do so. What y'all think? I like this kind of case. It has a little Velcro there too. Maybe you can do a kickstand. There you go, you can do a kickstand too. So it comes in different colors. I decided to get the black and brown, but I like the soft material there. So the back is a hard plastic with a piece of leather on it. Let's put the phone in there. So now what do you do with the display? So it's just there. It doesn't, it kind of goes back. Look, it doesn't flap. That's pretty good. Look, I thought it would just flap down, but it doesn't. Let's turn down the display. So the vine rockers and the power button are there. They are easy to press. Now the one thing, this little flap does kind of want to get in the way of the power button. And then when you close it, it does have that phone. Do you get camera protection? Yes, you do. Now you don't have to have it open because you have a little earpiece if you want to listen. I don't know what y'all think. I like how it doesn't just, because the other one that they had for like the Z Fold 3, Samsung had it. It kind of just like went really far. Now let's check out the kickstand on this thing. This case is, I don't know if I could rock this case every day, honestly, y'all. But I think you can rock it if you're going out of town. Out on the town, if you don't want to take your wallet. If you just want a simple case to keep your, say, debit card, credit card, and your ID. And then you just have this in your pocket. I don't think you could do this as an everyday case. I could be wrong though. You might be able to pull that off. Let's unlock it. So the kickstand does work. So if you're watching some YouTube or something, it definitely works. That's actually pretty cool. That's good. Then you just take it off and then flip your phone back, you close it up, and the clip works. Can your wireless charge? Let's find out. Or I can just do it like that. You cannot wireless charge with mine. Nope. Maybe. I do not see wireless charging happening, but it could be my charger. Let me make sure it's plugged in. Yeah, it's plugged in. So with my charger, no wireless charging is happening. Let's see if I even open it up. Shout out to Gigi. So no wireless charging. Let me get some cards real quick and see how that actually looks in this case itself. Okay, y'all, so I was able to find some old cards. Let's put an ID in here. Not bad. Sam's card. And then say an old IKEA card. And the cards fit in there pretty good. Not too bad. And then like you said, you have that little thing to stop the card from scratching your main display. So overall, this is not a bad case at all. Now I'm gonna go over some things on Amazon real quick too, so y'all can see that. So this one is $39. You can see the different colors down there. Also some of the pictures, I'll show you the kickstand. So you can do the kickstand that way. You have the finger grip strip, and then you also have a kickstand like that. So overall, this case is not bad. I like it. I'm gonna keep this. This is the going out case for, like I said, just the night. Put this in your pocket. You don't have to worry about carrying a whole wallet, and you're good to go. But if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.